Compact Learning Objects, or CLOs, are designed for on-the-go access to language learning materials that can be completed in as little as 5 to 15 minutes. CLOs feature a mix of written, audio, and video content focused on different aspects of a contemporary topic. Each lesson builds on the previous one for a condensed daily dose of language. Brief explanations about details of cultural, historical, and linguistic significance within the CLOs help you understand the material's context. Supplemental materials enable you to check your comprehension and learn up-to-date slang and colloquial language. CLOs also offer a target language transcript and an English translation as additional tools for improving your understanding. You can even keep learning about topics addressed in the segments through links to external resources. CLOs are just one of many products designed by the National Foreign Language Center to help you gain a deeper understanding of the world's cultures and languages. Browse our entire catalog at portal.nflc.umd.edu.